Today, Nimueh went to the Kingsley & Co workshop on puppets, shadow puppets, where they created their own puppets together, and Nim absolutely loved this. She thoroughly enjoyed it. And then they put on a performance afterwards, which was just wonderful watching it all come together for them, because Nimueh has just raved about it ever since. It was held at White Kids because Kingsley & Co is currently closed while they're relocating, but the workshop itself was fantastic. And I have included the recording of segments of the performance at the end as well. And they performed this for the parents.
It was night time, and there was a crying baby in the middle of the forest. And then the fairies heard the call. The fairies heard the sounds of the crying baby, who's going to keep crying throughout the whole of the scene. Well done. And all of the fairies. It was sparkling in the moonlight, and the fairies ducking down and hiding their heads. Ducking down and hiding their heads. Well done. I'm going to take the baby off to the left, and the moon's going to disappear as well, because it's easier for the moon. The fairies are going to disappear off to the left, because Oland Zero is going to grow up from a small little boy right close to the fabric. And he's going to grow bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger, until eventually he goes to a noisy school. And oh my, it's noisy. As they play. And the teacher, where's the teacher? The teacher comes and says, "Stop talking, all of you." Teacher, say, "Stop talking, all of you." There we go. And they all disappear into the classroom. Except, so everyone off stage actually, yeah, this, apart from Ole, who sometimes stayed outside as he made presents. Presents, prop man. And he made presents and leave them for good kids. But the parents, the strange men, didn't like that, did they? Oh, they came in their suits and armour with their weapons and their swords. They didn't attack Oland Zero yet, because he was only a boy. Instead, they said, "Go back to where you came from." Go back to where you came from. They said it loudly. And you know what Ole did? As the strange men left, he cried all the way back without the present. All the way back to the forest. From one kid to everyone off stage except one kid. And everyone towards Anne, everyone towards Anne. Except for the fire. Everyone off stage. Jackson. And the poor girl, all by herself. The poor girl. And the fire coming closer. But who was there to save her? Oland Zero. And Oland Zero took her away through the flames until the strange men looking for their lost daughter